What up? Coming to you live from the K truck. Today's gonna be a pretty dope video because I am gonna be doing two things on the truck. One I've been neglecting for a pretty long time, and the second one is something that I just got in the mail. Speaking of mail, first thing we're gonna do is go to the post office and drop off all these orders. So shout out to everybody that bought some Selena tees. Everything is being shipped right now. About to drop them off in the post office. And if you don't know, WayBeforeTheFame.com, get yourself some goodies. Now onto the K truck. So one of the things I've been neglecting for a while is, as you see, the headliner is very clean. When I was buying my truck, I didn't want one that was dark and like smoked in a lot. So this side, perfect. This side though, I obviously just pulled it out to make it a little more exaggerated. It's a little droopy, so I think I'm gonna go to Home Depot, buy like that Gorilla Glue spray that girl used, and see if I could just have it nice and sticky again. Second thing we're gonna work on is the tail light. So as you see, when the hit and run accident, the whole housing broke, and this was kind of like my makeshift DIY. That way I can still drive it, still have my brake lights, still have my turn signal and everything. But the new lights came in. They came in from Indonesia. They actually got here pretty quick as well. I think it was like maybe 2.5 weeks. They said it wasn't gonna get delivered till like late May, and it's still mid-April right now. So very happy about that. I think I'm actually gonna change both of them too. And one last thing I wanna do is I wanna spray paint right here. As you guys saw when we fixed everything, this is now like bare metal, and I don't want it to keep raining and this get rusty and all that bad stuff. So I'm just gonna paint over it with this. First thing we're gonna do though is cut this off, take this completely out, mask some of this, and then I'm gonna just do a couple coats of like white spray paint just to cover it up. I know it's not gonna be exactly the same, but it'll look much better. So let's start with that. Okay, so the headlights are now out. Just do a couple coats. Like, I'm not really trying to get it perfect or anything. Like, so while we let this second coat dry, I guess we could talk about the Miata. So as you guys know, I bought this car last summer for $6,500. In my opinion, that was a steal, just because I knew that the prices of Miatas were about to get ridiculous. At the time, Donut Media just started their Miata page. We have Ricer Miata. All the big YouTube content creators were making Miata videos. Like, Miatas were the thing last summer. And now look, we can't get a regular Miata for less than like 4 G's. But some things I want to do once I sell the K truck is I kind of just want to dial it in some more. Like, I bought the TPS from Flying Miata last year and I never installed it. I want to play with the Mega Squirt some more, mess with some timing, get it retuned, do all the maintenance stuff. And then I want to start doing like cosmetics things. Like, I'm not crazy about the stretch wheel life. Like, it's just never been my thing. So I want to change this wheel and tire setup. I want to buy a different steering wheel. I love the fact that I have like the red leather seats, but I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want bucket seats. I kind of want to change the wheel. I want to buy like the 5-point harness and all that stuff. Those are my plans with the good old Miata. While that's drying, I guess we could take this side off. So this is basically completely dry. I might just do one more coat just for the shits and gigs. I'm trying to take this out right now, but it wouldn't be a Way for the Fame video if this wasn't 30 years old and completely rusty and not trying to turn at all. So we're using this. Hopefully this gets it out. Keep you guys posted. Let's continue to drill. All right, quick little update. I was able to get the cover off and keep this nice and secure, but I still need to get this off so I can put the new one in with the new screws. But that's looking like a little mission right now. I don't have any pliers and this thing is just way too rusty. So I think what I'm gonna do is attack it from here. I'm gonna see if I can just drill out that. Hopefully that works. After no lie, like 30 minutes, I finally got everything out nice and right. This did have to break, unfortunately, but good thing I got a set of 2 new ones. So we're gonna put these in now, and then we're gonna go to Home Depot. I wanna buy the spray, and then we're gonna finish all that. All right, so both sets of tail lights are on. I want to try to get this on, but what was holding it was a clip that broke off when someone hit the truck. So I gotta see if I could do like some DIY, or if you guys have any suggestions. But here's how it looks on that side. I just think it makes the truck look completely better with these little bumper protectors. What up? So it's the next day and both tail lights are in. Makes the truck look 100% better. About to go to Home Depot now, see if I get that adhesive spray. We'll work on the headliner, finish that today. All right, so we just got to Home Depot. I'm in the glue section. They have exactly what I want. Shout out to that girl for the great promo, because I know this is gonna stick. Now we're gonna head to the K truck and we should be able to do this 1, 2, 3. I think I'm gonna use like a plastic remover tool to get it to stick on, but let's buy this really quick. Just made it back to the truck, so I'm going to use this with the Gorilla Glue. I think this is going to be my best friend, because when I spray the adhesive, I'll be able to do like stuff like that, just to tuck it in there underneath. So let's start this. This honestly should be like 1, 2, 3. Luckily, it's not really that droopy. It kind of just stops right there. So I'm going to do little by little because I want this to look as legit as possible. So let's start off with that. So now that I have this side on, I'm just gonna spray like the tips, or maybe I'll spray it into a glove and just tap all of this, so that way I'm not really going to be able to spray that deep into there. So I'm going to spray it on the glove and kind of just ride my hand through there. That way the adhesive could get on like the very ends. Okay, it's all done. Doesn't look as perfect, I'd say, and as you see, there's a couple like things that you're never gonna notice, but it does look much better than a droopy thing. I'll sit on the driver's side now so you guys can see. So when you're sitting here, like, you know what I mean, you won't even realize. But overall, quick little fix. I'm now just gonna clean this thing up because there's a car show later today, so stay tuned for that video. But I'm gonna end this one right here. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.